Hello and welcome to Gasby GH. This is your girl next door, Afia Rai. Today I've compiled videos for your eyes only, and it's all about the Kumawood stars visiting the gigantic closet of our princess Jackie Appiah. The next video also shows Nanama McBrown interviewing Afia Schwarzenegger and her shenanigans, what's involved, what she's doing, the people that she's suing, and all that comes with it. And then last but not the least, the AJPounds. You know, AJPounds on Delay show put to rest all the rumors that surround her and snatching her best friend's husband, and you know how it all unfolded. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere.
Wow. Oba besia pa demo. Dema, one was scan no scan wedi. Scan wedi. But then what she say? Whatever you call for. I say, oh, somewhere ya mama is a beautiful picture. And you know beautiful woman happy. When you okay, happy for Queen Jackie. I am telling you for her life. May God grant you more money. May God grant you more connection. May God grant you more health. Whatever trap they set ahead of your life. Don't come manager, I mean, for your support and everything. Because
thank you.
Evil delay.
Okay.
I am not evil.
Okay.
This is what happened. Onwa ni kunu confrontino. Say na me hu se wo ye wo fa me chiwe say e no onwa accept ye say ane me ni asumasi anante 1 year. What you say?
Are you saying this on record?
Yeah, that's what she did.
Oh, kagu n'animu ase.
And yes, me kagu n'animu ase. I'm showing you why. Ebia oka say ebia na me se. Yes, na me no. No. A lot of things happened, but ebia ebi and a meek because say ebia yes say. Now wo nipa no a wo de won on confirm me ya. Unfanya asem. Ene na de jame ma me say be ye beto kra say wo butu so na wo ye bibi mpo a. O so na ofa ade ama, but you confirmed it. So like the only papa no enkomo no say you no compare na dey wo ho no, and people will definitely hear what happened.
But as what I say me yi me ho free because na me ni ho
me ba cho minim no ka kire me.
That was a post how cosere was say.
No.
Until then, why were you laughing?
Dili, am I not supposed to laugh at a funny comment and a funny caption? No. It wasn't on no worry no. And I make us sereno. Na me nya dey.
One ko get 10,000 Ghana from
no.
And I ko cancel ma worry.
No. Never. That is what I want to explain. No laughing caption whatever. No. Me patre say. Enyo obi na kumentwi. Boys ya ko no de ni tie den eje atrema. Say ne bia bibia anko yie wo no ne side a. Eyo no na mimi hu ne say. Want to turn in nema bi aden eye. Tenye say me na
abu abono.
Sort of. Na nyemi na me kogie say.
Do you call yourself a good friend?
If I'm not a good friend, I won't be with her for 7 years.
Now you can't say me cheni kuno.
For day.
Now when you say obefa na cheni Dr. Kwakuti so atwempa.
For day.
Wouldn't Dr. Kwakuti ani mpna twem koma. Mu ni mpna twem komoda.
Never.
Oh yeah, sure. One test with her.
Oh no, test it. There was a point in our friendship. I had a temptations from the man.
When you had temptation from man?
Yes. I stood for her as a friend at that time. I mean,
what kind of temptation? Which means who consider at a point?
No, him the other way around.
Upon a temptation?
Sort of.
What did then a temptation?
Okay. Yak tu kwine. Yakoye juma. Ajua me come who them high.
Okay.
But I mean, me washing girls. I mean, no me juma.
Okay.
Me and I'm sure many men kwala no, and never kwa koda.
But as what I say, me who free because let me
I can say boldly say the kind of friend I was and I am as an individual. No, it is hard to find in this Ghana here, all over. She was married, but she was single. So, I make her say, and you mean I make her say that no. What you say, I never cause, and she knows it. Opinion will be to me say what we are was saying.
Until on one say na on
that's how I see it from where I sit.
Yes.
Oh no.
And I go on worry.
Yeah. Because if you don't allow friends into your home, you don't allow certain things into your home, and they may be uncomfortable. Now,
what is what Dr. Kwakuti in Tamatana Eowawa?
I know me wawa.
What an annual wawa?
Because it's a Adiana or Pesoye.
Okay.
It's something she really wanted to do.
Okay.
But I think nya nipa beka.
Yeah, Juma. God is my witness. The only problem I have with this woman, and it say, me call share kwabna. Na kwabna ka tell me say, per manager. That's a small contract because I'm on day. Mon draft it. And say, sir, the consul no. Ebe ma mo na mfufa no. Emu atete. O me kasa me boa. So, kwabna wo nua bi say wo Germany o say Denmark. Your friend akwasi. And akwasi draft a contract. Na me de come
Kwamna be you and Kwamna didn't pay nyina.
Dabi, me the contract ne come and no flip here. And she said to my face, may you work for TV so. Oh, they used to tell us. You see, you know what? Ama, nan crofobia him say, be buy your friend in social media. I am powerful than TV. Me say,
it is a contract now to coin anything or
also made the right pen as sign. Made the right pen a UF film.
Why not say?
Madam Yamubonidi. I'm a mother. Time I'm a Afia Schwarzenegger.
Delay.
2010. Take me manage 21 years. Take it off their age. I had children. I didn't want fame. I wanted money. I always tell people, me, my life. I want what my children will eat. And yeah, a DB with TV. So now we need capre. I was the most famous person and the most hungry person on this.
Metropolitan circumstances.
I was the most. I said when they can't even yet I was the most. Mommy, come on, see. I was the most famous person. Hey. I was the most. I was the most famous person. I saw me get that cereal. My wife was saying, "Make it." And you maybe just common food I will buy for my children. Omo for your friend coffee. Me share am simon coffee ho. About fiber. Say me say coffee ma me aduane. Unko coffee.
But
one say Afia.
You know what we are saying. The name. Me
the kan nyina no.
One mama nka ba se be ama na ebe nya akọ. Me Afia. Ada me timi to aduane. Edi ye to 3 square meal. Was the day Eugene Edinburgh share Father Dixon. I swear.
These are realities.
I swear.
You say no.
If you
connect.
I swear.
Hello. Delay.
Menya fe mi wo di mi ni kapre.
Me redeem.
Menya fe mi wo di mi ni kapre. Me boy hit FM. That the boss ko na de me ko here. I want to entua me ka. Me ti me fa from a chemota to hit
Afia.
Na ya power. Mene kwa mi bi mu akono no mo.
No we na kakra.
Ya power mene kwa mi bi mu akono no mo. So that the boys will come and drop me home. I was so famous me for train ye. And a minute scam de befaka. And so we have you see people don't know the sacrifice we made to be here. Now me here Juma Happy FM. E bo atene man see entua me kada. Me ba father wonu ma be su. Father so je Juma ne je. I me here Juma man ko fon ma be je salary wa had akoto aduane edi. My life changed the day I met Father Dixon. Na aduane 3 square meal. 3 square meal. Me ne me man here the hotel. Your friend Ali and Luther. Hotel no was see our tantra. Because I didn't have money to rent a house. And I made from a man in Kotsa compound house. And to be the hotel, they be 1250 Ghana. Girl be the bed of Faglonam. Your friend Rama too. Rama Vision.
Yeah, Rama Vision.
Busano. How many times, sir? No, by family hotel near Kodi Fee. Just like I will eat. So that I will go to her house. So say the baby. Bobby na ya kobo ye no. Juliet Ibrahim Bobby okay. Ope bia and the family. Keska kwa no me ba. Coachito. Meanwhile, I was the most top-notch reigning girl at that time. Why is it supposed to be like that? Espresso was on the contract. Skin glows, skin light was on the contract. Mr. Compa, physical com, and not idea com, physical food.
Abaya.
Busa father da mi wa ma aduane.
Afia.
Ti aduane no. Ma kama se. Hey, father ma aduane ti aduane no.
Abaya, Obafia. Hey, ye chamba. Mimi nyao na kama sa wodo nsa left no. Me betumi duku. Me boa.
Me se ta ba father ma aduane. Dia mi ti se aduane no. Me so se mi si for me so you get go free na ba. Won ni mu se. Me ti bi ko na.
Abusafo. Ye da mo ase. Me ni me producer.
Na wo mi kwase na me se me mpini a. Wo se me da.
Tie.
Bra me nko e.
Ye da mo ase.